everybody, in this video we're going to talk about translating the graph of a parabola one step. First we need to understand vertical translations of graphs. If we're given a function y equals f of x, if we add k, then the function is shifted upward k units. If we subtract k from the function, then the function is shifted down k units. Just like this. If our parent graph is x squared, and we subtract 3 from that parent graph, we're going to shift the whole thing down 3. If we add 3 from that parent graph, the whole thing's going to be shifted up 3. So, take a look at this. Translate x squared to get the graph y equals x squared minus 5. So what's going to happen? We're going to take this graph and we're just going to slide it down to negative 5. So every point in this graph gets slid down negative 5. So this point, 0, 1, we're going to slide that down negative 5 points. This point, negative 1, 1, we're going to slide that down negative 5 points. Okay. Similarly, this point will get slid down 5, and this point, which is at 4, will get slid down 5. And we'll end up with a parabola that has just been literally dragged down in the downward direction, negative 5. Now, because of my drawing skills, it doesn't look the same, but they are the same graph, just literally taken and shifted downward.